Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your PlayStation Plus games across consoles. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your PlayStation Plus games across consoles, start by ensuring both consoles are connected to the internet. On your old console, navigate to the settings menu from the home screen. Select account management and sign in to your PlayStation Network account if prompted. Next, go to Activate as your primary PS4 and make sure your old console is set as the primary device. Once confirmed, power down your old console safely. Now, turn on your new console and sign in with the same PlayStation Network account. After signing in, go to the Library option from the main menu. You will see all your owned games, including those from your PlayStation Plus subscription. Locate the games you want to download and select them one by one. Press the download button and wait for the installation to complete. If you have saved data from your old console, ensure it's transferred as well. You can do this by using cloud storage if you have PlayStation Plus. Go to the settings menu and select Application Save Data Management. Choose Save Data. Once everything is downloaded, launch the games to ensure they work properly. Your games and saved data are now transferred and ready to enjoy on your new console. This process allows for a seamless transition between consoles while keeping your gaming experience intact. You're all set to dive back into your favorite games on your new PlayStation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.